Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Oven Recipes, and I am just thanking God and just want to tell you I'm thanking God for every one of you, over 10,000 subscribers now on this YouTube channel, and so that is just a wonderful accomplishment. When I first started this thing out, I thought 1,000 subscribers would be great. I figured, a channel like this would probably just top out at like 1,000 subscribers, and 10 times that now, and it looks like, things are continuing to go up. So, it's just great. There's going to be, a lot of cooks still coming. There's going to be, for the meantime, there's going to be daily videos coming out for a little while. At some point, depending on, my time and such, it may go back to maybe just a few a week. But, I'll continue to pump out the videos. For now, it's going to be daily for the moment, and we'll see how things go going forward, as far as things changing. But going to continue to pump out material. And I'm glad that everybody is just enjoying everything. Right now I'm really doing a lot with things like the NuWave Primo. Got a little bit of video coming out with the Philips Air Fryer XXL. So there's going to be the Primo 30-day review video coming out this week. And sometime in the near future, not too distant future, there'll be a kind of an overall review of that Philips Air Fryer XXL as well. But that was done before the Primo came on the scene. I had to kind of wrap that up so that I could get into the Primo work. But also there's going to be a little bit of review of some more review of the NuWave pick line of induction cookers. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, and there's going to be a lot more continuing to come out. So I just really hope that you continue to enjoy, and I am very happy again and thankful for each one of you. And so to each of you, good eating.